In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Odoo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to make sure your invoice is ready to send to your customer. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account and that you have access to the accounting app. From your main Odoo dashboard, look for the icon or its menu option labeled Accounting and click on it. This is where all your financial modules live, including invoices, payments, and reports, so it's the right place to start. Once you're inside the accounting module, look towards the top menu and click on Customers. This section focuses on everything related to your clients, their invoices, payments, credit notes, and so on. Choosing Customers helps you narrow down the options so you're only working with customer-related documents. Within the Customers menu, you'll see several choices. Go ahead and click on Invoices. This will open a list of all your existing customer invoices. Here, you can see their status, such as draft, posted, or paid, but for now, we're going to focus on creating a brand new one. To create a new invoice, look for the New button, usually located at the top left or top right of the page. Click on New. Odoo will open a blank invoice form. This is your main workspace for setting up all the details of the invoice you want to issue. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start by selecting the customer from the customer field. When you choose an existing customer, Odoo will automatically pull in their contact information, which saves you time and helps keep things consistent. Next, check the invoice date and, if needed, adjust it to match when the invoice should be issued. You can also verify or edit the payment terms so the due date is correct. For example, immediate payment or 30 days. Then move down to the invoice lines. Here, you'll add the products or services you're billing for. Select an item, enter the quantity, and confirm the unit price. Odoo will calculate the subtotal and apply any taxes that are configured for that product. Take a moment to review the totals at the bottom, including tax and the final amount due, to make sure everything looks accurate. Once all the details are filled in and double-checked, your new invoice is ready to be saved and processed according to your usual workflow in Odoo.